The recent escalation of tensions in Ukraine has led to increased military activity in the region. In response, the United States has deployed a number of AA-64 Apache attack helicopters to Poland. The deployment is seen as a show of support for Poland and its allies in the region, as well as a signal to Russia that the United States takes its commitments to its NATO partners seriously. The AA-64 Apache attack helicopter is one of the most advanced and capable attack helicopters in the world. It is designed to operate in a wide range of conditions and environments, and is capable of delivering devastating firepower to ground targets. The Apache is equipped with a range of weapons, including rockets, missiles, and a 30mm cannon. The deployment of the Apache to Poland is part of a broader effort by the United States to bolster its presence in the region. In recent years, the United States has increased its military presence in Poland and other countries in Eastern Europe in response to Russia's annexation of Crimea and its ongoing aggression in Ukraine. The deployment of the Apache to Poland is significant for several reasons. First, it demonstrates the United States' commitment to its NATO allies in the region. Poland is an important member of NATO, and the United States has pledged to defend it against any potential threats. The deployment of the Apache is a clear signal that the United States is willing to back up that commitment with military force if necessary. Second, the deployment of the Apache to Poland sends a message to Russia. Russia has been increasingly aggressive in its actions towards Ukraine, and the United States is concerned that this aggression could spill over into other countries in the region. By deploying the Apache to Poland, the United States is sending a message to Russia that it will not tolerate any further aggression in the region. Finally, the deployment of the Apache to Poland is a reminder of the importance of military readiness. The United States and its NATO allies must be prepared to respond quickly and decisively to any potential threats in the region. The Apache is just one example of the advanced weaponry and technology that the United States has at its disposal, and it serves as a reminder that the United States is ready and able to defend its interests and those of its allies. In conclusion, the deployment of the AA-64 Apache attack helicopters to Poland is a significant development in the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. It demonstrates the United States' commitment to its NATO allies in the region, sends a message to Russia that the United States will not tolerate any further aggression, and serves as a reminder of the importance of military readiness. The situation in Ukraine remains tense, and it is unclear what the future holds. However, the deployment of the Apache to Poland is a clear sign that the United States is prepared to defend its interests and those of its allies in the region.